Hey Pat, I spoke with Danny earlier today. My name is Lee Turbianic, and we were doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you guys can do online today to beat out your competition. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you become more interested on how we can help your business grow and bring in a lot more traffic, just give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. So let's jump right into it. The 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content. Now, content is any words that are written on your homepage, and Google likes to see 1,500 words on a homepage. Now, as we scroll on your website, I do see you guys do have a nice logo here. You have your service tab is a little spacing issue with that. You got your socials and a phone call number up here. I do like that. However, I do suggest getting that figured out and the spacing, and then a form submit is key to getting clients to convert instantly. So it's just a name, phone number, message, maybe an email, so they can come here, they know they want to hire you, boom, and send you a quick email with their information. You guys can reach back out. And you're lacking intensely in the content department. So you guys maybe have 200 words on your total. I'm not seeing a Google map in your footer, no site map, no click to call buttons throughout. I'm not sure if you had somebody build this website, but I do suggest getting it revamped and redone properly. So let's just go into a normal search here. So I did plumber anchorage, just like any normal person would do, trying to see who shows up first. And as we go down here to the organic section, circle, plumbing, and heating is in first place. So let's see what kind of content they have. So as you can see, they have their services all listed, video header. They don't have a book an appointment form. Content, I'm not seeing. They do have some here, some here, some here, but nothing near the 1,500 words of keyword-rich content that we're looking for. And what that looks like and why that's important is so you can fit your keywords that you want to rank for importantly. So here's a site we built for a plumber in Woodland Hills, California. And nice form submit, beautiful layout, drop-down menu of all the service pages, even the locations. But here, content, plumber, Woodland Hills, main keyword we want to target. Another place, Woodland Hills plumber, Woodland in the content. But that's content. This is what Google wants to see, because you got to think Google is just a crawling website and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information for your clients, it's not going to rank you high. But let's go back to this search. So plumber anchorage search. Up here you're going to have your Google ads, and these are all cost per click. And these 9 times out of 10 can be bogus, and you might, if you got a healthy budget, yeah, it's okay to run those, but you might waste more money than you make in this area. So I'm really going to focus on this section here, the GMB section, and then this organic section, which deals with your website. So this GMB section, or Google My Business, as you can see, Anchorage Plumbing and Heating is in first place. I don't know if you guys have a GMB listing at this point, but you are not showing up in the top 3, which is hurting your traffic big time. So you're probably wondering, well, how do I get up in the top 3? Well, citations. So a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, like the Yellow Pages, Yext, BBB, Facebook, YouTube's even one of them. So I wanted to see how many citations this Anchorage Plumbing and Heating has. So I have a tool I use, it's called Local Citation Finder, and I plugged in their information, Anchorage Plumbing and Heating, and show me they have 49 citations. That's it. That's so beatable. So, but the best part about this is this shows me all the citation sources, where they're getting them from. So, and they're all submittable. Facebook, Yelp, Bing, BBB, MapQuest, Yellow Pages, Manta. And this shows how powerful they are. So you know Facebook and Yelp, Bing, BBB, they're all well known. They're going to be very strong source. They're very trustworthy websites. Now as we get down here to the lower ones, Research Giant, Plumber Hut, US, you never really heard of these, right? So look at 4, 14, 23. They're not really transferring that much power. So it is ideal to get relevant, strong websites sources. And I have access to a lot of them, and plus we can go grab all these, get 100 to 200 more citations for your guys' business, get you up in this map pack, and beat these guys out by a landslide. Plus, that's putting your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. And you got to think, who's going to show up here? Who's Google going to put here? Anchorage Plumbing with 58 places, directories all over Anchorage where their name is, or Joe Schmo who only has a website. I mean, the answer is rhetorical. So that's the GMB section. Now when it comes to this bottom section and the organic section, this deals directly with your website as far as the content and your backlinks. Backlinks being the main key to ranking, and you're probably wondering what's a backlink. So a backlink is when another website links back to your website and it transfers power. So you want relevant sites linking back to your website. If Pizza Hut were to link back to you, it's not going to transfer as much power as another plumbing website or say a blog written about 10 tips on how to keep your drain clean, and then it links back to you. That's going to transfer some power because it's relevant. But let's pull up your site compared to the guy right here. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs. I plugged in your guys' information and it's showing you have a 31 trust flow and a 2.9 for your backlink profile. So this is the overall rating of your backlink compared to the others. So you have a 310 backlinks, but they may be spammy backlinks that you're getting from whoever's doing your SEO at this point. And the only ones that are transferring any power is 53 of them, the do follow links. But you are ranking for 143 keywords and you're getting about 137 traffic to your website. So, and you're not even really ranking, but let's go see what you are ranking for at this point. So you're ranking for your name, Mountain Mechanical, but we want to target the people who are looking for plumbers that don't know one. Like, here's one, Furnace Repair, Anchorage. 100 searches a month for that. This is going to show me the volume, KD, how much traffic you're getting, and the position that you're in. So you're in the 8th position for that on the first page. So you're getting a little bit of traffic from that, but let's go to these plumbing keywords. Like, plumber, Anchorage, 250 searches a month. Now this is a monthly figure, as you can see, monthly number. 250 times somebody's looking for a plumber in Anchorage, and you're on the 2nd page. That's due to your SEO. Anchorage Plumbing and Heating, 900 searches for Anchorage Plumbing and Heating, and you're on the 3rd page. 1 through 10 is the 1st page. 11 through 19 is 2nd page. 20 through 29 is 3rd page. So you guys are on the 3rd page. You're not going to get any traffic. As you see, you get 1.3 traffic out of this 900 that is possible. HVAC Repair, Anchorage, 40. Heating Company, HVAC Anchorage, 40. Anchorage Plumbing, 200. Anchorage Plumber with the ER, 100. Duct Cleaning, Anchorage, 60. There's so much search volume, but you're not on the 1st page for a lot of them, and that's easily can be fixed by doing a little SEO. You guys got a good jump start, but take a look at your numbers. Now let's take a look at what's possible by looking at your competitor. Boom, look at his traffic. And his numbers aren't that much better. It's just he's a little bit better than you at this point. And let's look at his keywords. So he's got 249. Plumber Anchorage, 250. See how these are beautifully laid out? He's telling Google exactly what he wants to be found for. There's no, everything's symmetrical as far as plumbing, plumbers, Anchorage, circle plumbing. Look at all these search volumes for all these keywords. And like I said, it's important to have that 1,500 words so you can put these throughout the content, just like we did on the site right here, which is killing it in Woodland Hills, Los Angeles. So, beautiful site. This is what we focus on, getting you a nice site and building it to rank. And another thing that we can do, so we know his backlinks are strong and they're ranking him in the 1st place for a lot of keywords. Boom, we can go right into his backlinks just like we did for his citations and see a whole list of where he's getting them, and we can go and submit for you to get those same backlinks. Then we do one better and go up above them and beat them. But here's every backlink source that he has, 7 pages full of them. So I'd love to talk with you guys more about this. Let's do a quick recap. Your homepage needs a nice little revamp, maybe possibly a new rebuild with 1,500 words so you can fit those keywords throughout it. The second thing was citations. Your name, address, and phone number in directories across the web, along with good reviews, pictures added, and keeping up with any people leaving reviews is big too. And the third thing was backlinks. You guys need more relevant backlinks pointing back to your website to tell Google that your company is the authoritative company. So if you do that, you could be #1 across Google, and I'm here to help. I'm here to answer any questions. Feel free to reach out. My name is Lee. Phone number is 570-240-5257. I own Diamond City Digital Marketing Incorporated, so you're dealing with me directly, no bullcrap. We don't have millions of clients, so we can focus directly on you. Yeah, I'd love to hear from you, Pat, and thanks for getting this video to him, Danny. Appreciate you guys. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.